Alright, hey guys, Avi here and welcome to our new series on Python. In this series I plan to cover all the basics of Python, from variables to loops to functions, everything. And by the end of this series you should be up and running with Python, know the basics, and be able to go into any field of Python you want. I've been a developer for Python for over 5 years, and I know what it's like to start from the beginning. I remember when I was 10, 11, I was writing my first Python script, print hello world, and it was fantastic. But what you can do with Python is tremendous. You can create games, you can parse websites, you can use data, manipulate it to do whatever you want. Python has tons of modules, tons of fun stuff for you to do, and I'm glad you've chosen Python. So let's get started. The first thing you need is to install Python. Let's go ahead and search for Python in our Google browser. You're going to select the first link. It's going to be from python.org. And over here, if you scroll down, you want the latest version, Python 3.5. If there's a new version of Python when you're watching this video, just download that. Hopefully things aren't too different. Python 2.7 also exists, but again, I like using the latest version. If you scroll down on the downloads page, you should be able to see the different downloads that exist. There's some for Mac, some for Windows. It's all up to you, whatever computer you have. Go ahead and select the download file and your download should start installing. I've already installed Python, so I'm not going to do that, but just go ahead and get that started. When you're done, open up your applications, open up the folder where it is. You'll be working in an IDLE. Now, I personally don't like Python's IDLE. As you can see, this is Python 3.5. It's nice, alright, it's very functional, it has a lot of things you can do with it, but I personally don't like it. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to install our own IDLE, and the one we're going to be installing is PyCharm. If you guys know what PyCharm is, that's fantastic. It's by a company known as JetBrains, and JetBrains has a ton of software. Now, if you're a student like I am, you can get the premium version of PyCharm for free. Just search the JetBrains Student Developer Program on Google, and it should guide you through the process of getting PyCharm premium version for free. Also, PyCharm has the community version in case you're not a student. So go ahead and download. It's going to ask you, hey, are you getting the community or the professional? Again, if you are a student, you can get the professional. Otherwise, just go ahead and get the community version. Alright, so now that you've installed PyCharm, let's go ahead and open it up. Now, you should probably have it wherever you installed it. I have it right over here, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. This is the PyCharm interface. You have PyCharm, the previous projects that you have on the left-hand side. You can create a new project, you can open, version control, all sorts of stuff. I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. I'm going to say code/python, and I'm going to call it hello world, like everyone else does. Our interpreter should be our 3.5 version, right over here, or 2.7 if you install 2.7. Go ahead and select 3.5 and hit create. Fantastic. So this is our hello world project. I'm not going to talk too much about how PyCharm works and stuff, but if you select this, there's nothing in it. So right click on your hello world project, say new Python file, and call it helloworld.py. Awesome. And inside of this, I want you to type one simple command, print hello world. Save this and let's go ahead and run it. If you're on a Mac, you can do Control-Shift-R, and if you're on a Windows, you can hit the run over here or just find a way to run the project. It should be very simple and fantastic. We got hello world printed on our console. This is it, guys. This is our getting started Python video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.